Hi, I'm Francesco Garripoli, founder of Community Wake. We're a nonprofit organization devoted to healing and specifically Qigong and meditation, tools I feel are critical for these modern times for us to find our inner peace and our heart-centeredness. I've been teaching for over 30 years and studied in China, Thailand, around the world with wonderful masters. Used to be the chairman of the National Qigong Association, and I'm the chairman of the Qigong Institute. So I'm really devoted to caring about community and helping people wake up to their potential. And Qigong is a great tool for learning about your potential. In November, I'll be offering the annual Organ Cleansing Qigong, also known as Zhang Gong, instructor certification training. So for people who are at the level of already teaching Qigong or yoga and have some experience in Qigong, would like to go to the next step and meet their prerequisites, it'd be great to have you come down to Florida in November on the 12th for a 5-day training. Some people who don't want certification, that's okay. They want the immersion. So there's both a 2-day and a 5-day immersion in the organ cleansing Qigong that I'll be teaching. And we have a great group of people already signed up. There's still a few spaces left. So if you're interested, please go to communityawake.org. The link is here. Check it out. And if you feel ready, it's a beautiful way to learn a Qigong form that is so empowering. The organ cleansing goes through our complete system, organ by organ system. And many people find it quite enlightening to look at your body a whole new way. And that's what life's about. Looking at ourselves a new way to change, move towards transformation and heart-centeredness to prepare for what's coming in this world, which we really don't know, but it's requiring a lot of us right now. So we need to come together, find our center and groundedness in the heart, and do your work. Do what it takes to become empowered and responsible for your own health and healing. Peace.